Welcome to the room tour of the Paradox Hotel in Vancouver. This is an ultra luxury hotel right downtown on West Georgia. And I gotta say, that's a pretty nice view. And I'm gonna be giving you a room tour right now. So, starting when you walk in, you've got some ample closet space, robes, umbrella, iron board, little complimentary shoes. Another storage here for shoes. There's a nice safe down there. Some wine glasses, coffee glasses, an espresso machine with some coffee. You've got a little fridge, lots of other little storage area for watches or jewelry. Got a nice little table here with some complimentary water. Nice big TV, lamp, phone, information about the Paradox. And coming around here, you've got a really nice king-size bed, iPad that controls the entire room, plenty of lights with chargers, USB, and it allows you to control all your lights from here, turning lights on or off, morning, night, and you can, of course, control the shades from there. Push those all down. And you've also got these same buttons over on this side and over here in the corner. So that's a pretty nice feature to have right at your fingertips. You've got some quick information about making up the bed right there. Got a nice alarm clock with wireless charging. That's going to come in handy. Nice lamp with a little sitting chair. I'm probably going to turn this chair around so I can have a nice coffee in the morning while looking out at the nice skyline of downtown Vancouver, because I will say it is pretty nice out there. Let's open this back up. Shades up. Coming over here to the bathroom. Got a nice big tub. I like my bath, so I'm going to give this tub a try. Looks super comfy. Got a nice little table here where you can set maybe your water on. There's some different bath related things. Looks like maybe a bath salt of some sort. And two little rubber duckies. Kind of like it. Nice towel rack. Coming into here, same thing. You've got your light switch for the bathroom. Got a large walk-in shower with, I think that's called a rain head. Very nice. Different body washes, that sort of thing. Two sinks, lots of amenities down there. Big, well-lit mirror. You've got one of these close-up mirrors, which is always super handy. And you've got a nice walk-in toilet with a shut door. So that, also, one more thing. Full-size mirror, I love that. Looks very nice, doesn't it? And of course, look at this. That is a nice view of the skyline of Vancouver. Lots of greenery here. You can get a little bit of the harbor view down there. A little bit of the mountain to the north over there. And I don't mind this. You got like a little greenery down there, a little balcony. It's a pretty nice view. So that is the room tour here at the Paradox Hotel on West Georgia in Vancouver. This is an ultra luxury hotel. So I've also done a video comparing to the Fairmont Pacific Rim in Cole Harbour, Vancouver. These are direct competitors. I did find the prices for the same nights to be slightly cheaper here at the Paradox, but I did have to use some like discount codes and membership rates, but it was about $200 a night less, which I actually found surprising for this hotel. So if you guys have stayed here before, let me know in the comments down below, or if there's another luxury hotel in Vancouver that you recommend I stay at, let me know as well. And I've also linked in the bottom of this video the full Paradox review. So check that out. And be sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys for more travel videos.